I want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Mint Mobile, where you can get wireless service for just 15 bucks a month. That's a pretty good deal, considering the fact that Mint Mobile does it a little bit different with their 3 month, 6 month, and annual plans that you can get on. You can get wireless service for as low as 15 bucks a month. I mean, that's good savings there, especially in this time where everything kind of costs quite a bit. So yeah, check out the link in the description to sign up for Mint Mobile from our channel sponsor. Now let's get into the video. I'm going to be talking to you guys about Graphene OS. Now this is actually pretty cool. I already read the website, but I just wanted to get everyone hip to the fact. So if you have a Google Pixel phone, and one of the things that you are worried about is Google. That's right. You're worried about Google, right? Weird how some people are worried about Google and a Google phone. But the phones are good, and sometimes there's just one flavor to the pie, one flavor to the cake, or decoration to the cake that you just don't want on there, and you want to take it off. And to some people, it's Google. Graphene OS has you covered on that. Seriously, I've read the entire thing on this, and it's actually pretty neat in how it does things. So it de-Googles your Google Pixel phone. And what that means is that the operating system itself, it is AOSP, so it's part of the Android open source project. And yeah, so it's Android. It's an operating system, full-fledged operating system, not a skin, full-fledged operating system that doesn't rely on Google services at all. As a matter of fact, when you install this on your Google Pixel phone by flashing it either through their web service, or if you want to do it by the emulator and command prompts, either way, you have two ways of installing this. And yeah, there's no Google apps or services. But if you want them, it can be sandboxed, which literally means that it is sealed off away from being able to communicate with other applications on your phone. The reason that this operating system is even here is to provide support for Google Pixel phones where people just don't want Google on there. They don't trust it. They'd rather use DuckDuckGo as their browser, and they don't want Google putting their hands in anything else, right? And I understand that. Privacy today matters a lot. So Graphene OS is here. It was formerly known as Copper OS or Copperhead OS, I think it was, something like that. But it's been since named Graphene OS. The website is easy to get to. It is grapheneos.org. If you want to go look it up, a lot of information to read, things that you can do. They really give you a lot of information. So anything you want to know about the operating system is there when you look at the features and go through the table of contents. You know, they have different areas like how to install it. As you see right there, web USB based installer, which is recommended for novice people. And then they have, you know, the command line installations to use. So if you want to do it that way. Here are the different builds, and you can see the builds go from the Pixel 7 Pro as far back as Pixel 4. So Pixel 4 has extended support. So that's nice to know that they're extending the support on the Pixel 4s. But yeah, it just kind of goes over everything here. Anything that you need to know about the operating system. And as I stated before, it's really simple. As the two methods of installing it are real easy to follow with all these different step-by-step walkthroughs on how to do it. Again, why would anyone want to de-Google their Pixel phone? Well, again, some people just don't trust Google. And that's totally fine, but I'm glad to see that there is a full-fledged operating system dedicated to de-Googling your Pixel.